Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very close to my heart because this episode is dedicated to Mother's Day. Mothers are truly one of the biggest blessings in our lives. Their love, care, sacrifices, and support can never really be measured in words. A mother is someone who stands beside us in every phase of life. Motherhood is a beautiful and powerful bond between a mother and a child. So in today's video, we are creating an art piece inspired by the nature which shows the bond between a mother and a child. So let's get started. And before I start the video, I will show you a little bit about that, how I found that stems in nature. It's outside in the backyard, it's everywhere. The things you can find out today. So I went outside and found these stems in the nature, and also you can find these kind of pebbles, like pebbles from the nature. So let me quickly show you the materials. What materials we are going to use today? What I'm using today is a canvas and some stems, pebbles, and E6000 glue, and a piece of paper, and the shape cutter, the mini shape cutter, which is heart shape. Okay, so look how beautiful the art piece is. Thank you so much and happy Mother's Day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!